Hi there! Today we're going to learn how to use the dashboard in your admin panel. To start, make sure that you're logged into your InPeace admin panel. The dashboard is your default homepage within the admin panel and displays general information about the app. The first section you'll see is dedicated to basic app user information. This section displays the number of members, visitors, and the total number of users in the app. In the gender section, you can monitor the percentage of men, women, and incomplete registrations. Incomplete registrants are users who have created a profile via the initial registration form, but haven't filled out all of their profile details. After they initially register, users can complete their registration by clicking on the My Profile tab and filling out any blank fields. Complete registration records much more information, including profession, marital status, parentage, and address. All of these details can be accessed elsewhere in the admin panel. We'll cover how to access that information in a later tutorial video. Below, we can track birthdays and events or courses that are available in the app, including the total registration for each event. In the donation section, we can track total tithes, offerings, social projects or events and courses, and here we have the total of all donations received. We also have a filter where you can control the time period for viewing this information. You can select from a series of predefined periods, such as the last 7 days, or create a custom date range for viewing the information. The interaction section allows you to see the total number of views of your live stream and also the total of shares made within the app. Next, we have the age group section that contains the amount of app users within each established age group. At the bottom of the dashboard, we can see a bar graph that tracks the number of daily prayer requests received in the last 30 days, as well as a chart to monitor the total cumulative growth of users in the app. The dashboard was created to be your go-to place to view the most important details about your app in an easy-to-understand format. If you need any assistance using our dashboard, please do not hesitate to contact us through our support channels. Thanks, and talk to you soon.